to draw. I don't have much time to do live broadcasts. It is true that personal self-cultivation is ignored. Self-cultivation is such a skill. It's very important. So let's do the live broadcast today. This, that, this. Let me tell you first. I don't have too many pictures. Just draw directly. Facing his biggest difficulty. What is the biggest difficulty on the front? Left and right symmetry, left and right pair. It will be easy to call this one. Well, what will happen to many students? Well, to put it simply, it's hey, I draw asymmetries, so I keep wiping with an eraser. It's not necessary. Okay, then decide left now. Right circle, left and right. Try to set a circle for him. After setting a circle, divide it and draw it casually. And then what can we do? I pupil, give him one. After finishing the double cut double eyelid 1 plus OK, it's done. Before and after, and then it's just what? 3 minutes in such a state. Then let's make one for him again. Half-sided. In fact, these things I will tell you exactly what he has. Well, he has a formula. He doesn't have to be there. I'm going to draw a circle and then add some extra tangents to him. It is necessary for you to arrange it all in one circle. Is it okay to do it? It's that hard, okay, so we're now the second left half. Arc right half arc okay slash. Eyebrow positioning. Eyebrow cutting. Head cut. Cut, nose, ears, jaw angle, face. Type cutting. Is there anything else after the face cutting? So now all you need to do is to do something to the original character. Adjustment of the visibility of one eye. Any kind of eye can be used, and any kind of eye can be used. You take, for example, the lower eyelid, and then it comes out in this sort of suspended state, and then the nose hair. Then we can also enter the eyebrows here at this time. Make an adjustment. After his jaw hair, lift it up a little bit moderately. You can lift it up moderately, no problem. And now we'll give it to him again. Follow the rhythm of the music to the end and the right end to walk the mud. It seems to be missing. I just took a piece of paper and felt that my hand was not mine. How is this same? Well, he has a formula. He has a formula. And what I'm showing you now, I'll put it bluntly. It is a formula. To put it bluntly, it is a formula. After you remember the formula, you can draw the effect like mine no matter what. But what's the other premise? Well, another premise is that you have enough material reserves. This is one, and the second is you. The hands then exercise hard enough to want to draw like me so fast and so fast. Then you can put some effects on it, and then you can draw it. So what must you want? It's to make your whole right hand. Let's do it! One right hand and then the crazy one. Go exercise like this. You are like me, from the last live stream to now. So far, I'm empty. Let's say there are 3 or 5 days. 3 days, for days. But I pick up a pen. I pick up a pen. And then I go. Oh no. That can be drawn. So what does it mean? It's this. You've got muscle memory. You've got muscle memory. You've got these things. And then you've got your hand. He's easy to grab. Our second one is now 2. 1, 2, and what have we drawn now? Well, there is a 7-minute drawing. From the start of the live broadcast to now, it is 7 minutes. We will come third and third. Play was painting. Play was painting. Okay, so listen to the music. Listen to the music. Let's get up. I think. Hairstyle, how should I draw what kind of hairstyle and then better? Think about it. Oh gee, it's a little more evil here. Draw evil. I don't know for a while. And then what kind of clothing should I wear? Ha ha ha, but no. Impact. Okay, a solar state like this. And then draw it very quickly now. It's 10 minutes, 10 minutes. And then we're almost the third one. And it's already done. So now, here's the fourth one. Fourth, I'll think about the fourth one. And now it's all sides, all sides, all sides. I'll make two smaller ones, smaller ones. One ends one. And how long does it take? 2 minutes. And then we have another one now and another one. I love this song. I love this song. Song come on, okay, then now we. How long? 14 minutes. 14 minutes. Let's see. 14 minutes. Come on, since we're going to play, let's play it all. Play the whole game and then how to do it. Rest. Arm painting. High frequency, such a swing arm, high frequency pendulum. Arm quickly hang him. I did it for one purpose, and that was, what was the purpose? It was to silence me for a few days. Arm and then reactivate it up because I immediately then. It's also about admissions. All I have to do is recruit for the fall class. So I will be on the scene of many people and I will do paintings like this. I don't like it. Enjoy. I do not. I like being there in that light. I like to put some real skills in front of others and let others see them. I don't like you to draw big cakes and bullshit for others. I will never let you use your brain if you can see it. What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? That one is there. That one is blind and guessing. It's not interesting, okay? What can be brushed to my live stream, and then it's all fate. The one who saw my video was also destined. Wow, thanks. Thank you for liking it. Thank you for liking it. Also weighing now. I am also. The trade-off is Bilibili and Douyin. The two platforms. Which one do I do? And which one do I do? Which platform will be my future online class future me? The one. It's the real kind. It is a paid online class. And then which platform should I be on to promote me? Now I am also torn. I just watch the most. Which platform is the last? Can you do it? Then, I will do it like this without hesitation. Why? Because I can really be considered very. I generate electricity. So what that means is, it's not enough to make ends meet. It's hard. It's hard. I don't want it. Appearance later. I will consider asking for a draft online and then go to the painting head. Like painting avatars. But not this. This is too low. This I find boring.